Hello, today we're going to be making homemade popcorn! Popcorn pop! Popcorn pop! And that's rainbow popcorn! Rainbow pop! We have rainbow popcorn! For this recipe we need popcorn, oil, melted butter, and salt. Let's get popping! First we have to add oil to our pan. The pan has to be heated through before you can start cooking. Now let's add the popcorn. Where's the popcorn? Hold the lid so the popcorn will not be flying all over the kitchen. Pretty good rainstorm here if you do not put on the lid. It's starting to be popcorn! You might have to wait a few minutes before it starts popping. It sounds... Yeah. Oh, look at this one. Let it go! Let it go! Let the popcorn explode! Open the lid after the popcorn has cooled off a little and pour it into a bowl. Next, let's drizzle popcorn with salt and with melted butter. I have to drizzle it. I'll spread it all over. Mix the popcorn together until every piece is glazed. It's time to try our popcorn. It's so fluffy, soft and buttery. It's so good, and it has not a lot of spices, no pepper, salt, buttery, and so salty. It's